Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working on a BMW 5 Series. This is the F10 generation guys, and we'll show you how to remove and replace air filter, engine air filter. Stay with us guys, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this generation BMW 5 Series guys, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, new filter, we're going to share the link with you in the description of the video below. Let's go ahead and start on the procedure now. So this right here is the BMW guys F10, but now it doesn't matter which engine you have. I think the procedure will be about the same guys. We have the 4-cylinder N20 engine, which is a 528i, but 520 I think is the same way as well. Now this is guys your air filter box. That's where the air filter is located, inside that air filter box, but you have only 3 tabs that you need to release to actually open it. Unfortunately, you can see it's hitting that piece here, that cross member piece, so we won't be able to open it all the way. In that case guys, we're going to get a 16mm socket guys, and we're going to get the 2 bolts loose, okay, on each side. Perfect. And we're going to remove that cross member piece guys, okay, out of there, so we can actually access the air filter. You can see one is out. Now working on the second one. Perfect. Now, great. Now check it out guys. What do we guys have here? Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 things that we just need to open this way a little bit. Comes out like that. Now, okay, let me position the camera to where I can show you a little bit better. Okay, this thing is a little bit stuck in there. Okay, I might need to get a screwdriver. Let me see. Okay, I caught it. So it started coming out. Okay, started coming out. Made in Germany filter. Okay, check out now. Check out all the leaves inside your air filter box. It's important, guys. Okay, that thing, okay, does not end. Okay, does not end in your engine. So what you're going to do, get a vacuum guys and clean it before you put it together. And this is guys, okay, the old filter that we got out of the car. So this is guys the old filter. If you need to purchase a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. But what we usually do, every oil change we remove it, clean it guys, and we replace it every 2 oil changes. Okay, this is the second oil change on that car, so we'll just go ahead and clean it guys really good. You can even use the vacuum, okay, to clean it good. Make sure everything's good in between the little parts here. Okay, make sure that you don't have any contamination. Perfect. Now inside right here, very important, okay, to clean everything guys. So later you either get the new filter or you get the one that you clean, depending on how many times you reuse it guys and put it together. Now usually, as I said, 2 oil changes, we replace it guys. Sometimes it could be 1, it really depends, but make sure that everything aligns really good here. Follow the lines, otherwise it's not going to seal and you can develop a leak. Now right here on the bottom, okay, you get the bottom end first. Okay, let me show you the bottom end first. Okay, and then you guys lock it in place. What's next? Don't forget guys to install that support right there and get the 2 bolts tight. From that point on, everything is pretty much done guys. If you have any questions, let us know, leave a comment below guys, and that way we'll get an idea about the video and help you solve your problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.